All right, let's begin. And we have two remote control models. According to the seller, they are not in working condition. He said, and the listing said, the remotes work, but the engines do not respond. Battery terminals are okay. Not good, not bad. And we are going to find out in a minute what's going on with these engines. This one has a little bit of corrosion, so I need to replace those battery terminals. So first thing I'm going to do is test if we have power from the battery pack to the engine. And to do so, we're going to turn the switch to the on position, and this battery needs to be pulled out, and we should see this blinking light. So we have power, that's good. Power going to the motor. Same with Percy. Okay, that's great. So I am going to start with Thomas. Thomas, we have sound. I'm still tapping, maybe it works. Okay, we have it running now. That's good. That is good. So it's missing one screw, that's not a big problem. Good coupling, and it saved me a lot of work. So the only thing I need to do is maybe just a little cleaning and replace the battery terminal. All right, the turn for Percy. As we know, we have power to the model. The remote is working. Now we do the same as with Thomas. Hopefully we make it run. Oh, it's working now. Excellent. Haha, that's great. The coupling, it's broken, so we need to replace that coupling. Other than that, good. Fast fix. You guys, look at this. I think I have a lot of trucks. These things comes with a giant barn, and I think it's to the top of my hat. This don't belong to Thomas and Friends, neither this or this. But this one does is Southern Carnival. Whatever this thing is, I don't know. I'm trying to get this out of the way. Okay, let's begin with Thomas. Oh. Trying to clean up a little bit. McCall's Farm car, I think that's for that one. We have a Spencer, Hiro, Diesel, Skarloey. This car is for the Skarloey, I think. Oh, Emily, and another car with a side door. And according to the listing, okay, this one is broken coupler. According to the listing, it says he doesn't know why they don't work, and the owner, okay, and say that it will not investigate. But this one works. Little noisy, rattle noise. Easy fix. You know what we need to do with this, Emily. It's replace that battery. I mean the coil there, it's located in the motor. Now the turn for Hiro. Clean. That's good, like it. It's working. Maybe he forgot to, or maybe the owner didn't know, the seller, how to access the battery compartment. But anyways, this one works. Also needs a new coil. Now the turn for Spencer, and then we have Diesel, Skarloey, and I have another box, so let's continue. Oh, this one is okay. This one does come with battery corrosion. I am going to try scrape it a little bit. Obviously I need to replace that battery terminal, and it's working. Good. cleaning, coal, lube, and that battery terminal, and it's good to go. I like when I get these toys to fix. I have a lot to fix. That's great. Okay, turn 4 diesel 2009 Devious diesel battery terminal. It's clean. This one is clean too. Quiet motor, nice. Just a little cleaning and we are good to go. Obviously it's missing a little dummy wheels here. And the next is Skarloey. It's Hito company Skarloey. So far so good. We got all the engines running. This one also comes with corroded battery contact. I need to replace that one too. Let's see. And it's working momentarily. Okay, it's working. Same problem. Coal needs cleaning, lube, maybe touch up this part here, and the battery terminal, and this is good to go. And this one is working. Okay, the next box comes with a lot of tracks, and we have a bunch of Thomas. I don't really know about that thing. Here's a spotlight car, Mattel, Solar Fireworks. That's good. Solar quality. This one does not flip. It does come with pin there, so it should be rotating, but it does not rotate. And smelter yard car. I think it's smelter yard car. Everything comes well packed. A flat car, another black flat car, small hopper car. This I think is a tipping car for, if I don't remember, this is for a little load, if I'm not mistaken. And purple, I think that's for den or dark. Let me know in the comments. Nice egg and dye tanker, egg dye factory tanker. That's good. And a water tanker, water. Where people say water? I think it's in Australia. And DW, this is for diesel. It's another tanker. Black and red, black rooftop caboose. McCall's farm. I don't think this is for McCall's farm. I think it's for egg contest something for Thomas. Here is another tipping car. And another express red coach. Little scuff marks on the top. Same for this one. It looks nice. And this is a pullback Percy with a moving eyes. That's nice. Works. Is this okay? This is another pullback Thomas, but it does not move. No moving eyes, but works. And we continue with solar firework car. Another car, green car, nice. What is this? It's just a truck, but there's not face or not troublesome truck. Attention! Oh no, caution! Flammable cargo. I don't have my glasses on, so I couldn't read. And apparently, Sonic. I don't really know about this one. Apparently, the seller says some of these work. So I think I heard a car running by. So we have Den. It's in really nice shape. He said it works, but I see corrosion. Maybe I'm mistaken, but anyways. And it's working with corrosion. So we need to replace the battery terminal, but it's working all around. It looks clean and very decent, in very decent condition. Look, decals very nice. Okay, next is a Thomas, the tank engine 2009. So talking about this Thomas, I have a lot, and I'm going to start painting this over with green. Battery terminals or contact, they look clean. It's working a little slow. There is a shop across the street where these crazy guys have these customized cars. They do test run like if they're going to the racetrack or something. Anyways, that's why I always record at night, but today is daytime and this is loud. So as I was saying, this I'm going to do the matte bomber. I already 3D printed the face. I hope I can show you that part, I mean the cover. For a minute I lost my screwdriver, and this is Percy Mattel, very good condition, just a little cleaning needed. Battery terminal, very good, test works. Rattle noise, that means we need to replace that cog, motor cog. Good face, everything around excellent. And here is another Thomas Mattel, outside good. I don't know about the inside. So seller says some of these Thomas don't work. This one is dead. Apparently it's dead. Well, let's jump these wires. Now it's working. Rattle noise, rattle sounds, that means we need to replace that cog, motor cog, clean the battery terminals, our battery contacts, and we are going to have a good response from the motor, the engine, so that shouldn't be a problem. Decals are okay, not bad. Decals are okay. Okay, next, you see this one right here? That's a remote control model. So this one, Hito Company Thomas. It's okay. Okay, this one, battery terminal, battery contacts or terminal, whatever you want to name it. They look clean. It's dead. Test. What is this green solution? Oh, it's Play-Doh. Oh, this one is very quiet. Where's my battery? This one is very smooth. Oh, we need to replace that driving axle cog. No biggie, no big deal. And the last item we have is, hold on, before that one, I have this piece. I think it's for Stanley. According to the seller, these things don't work, but look, RC Hiro, it's in very good shape to the edge. Did someone try to fix something? This one is loose. Alright, let's see what's going on in the battery compartment. Unfortunately, this one does not have a LED lights that it could show me that there is power going to the motor. But we're going to see. It looks like at the moment they have some battery leakage and there is a little battery corrosion. I can replace this one, that one. The others are okay. Now, about this, also the listing says, or the description says, the remote does not work. So this is going to be a good opportunity to test. I hear something. Okay, I think it's a toy pullback. Oh, here's the remote. Decent condition. I think I saw one of these listings on eBay, $149, if I'm not mistaken. That was about $120. That was about 2 weeks ago. Remote, it's good, clean. Now the only thing I need to find is my other battery. Where did it go? All right, I was looking for my battery. I lost one battery. And I have the remote ready here. Sounds really good. And we continue with this part. So what happened here is I did scrape the battery terminal. These battery terminals need to be replaced, but it's working. And I read the listing again, and it's I say the remote is not working, but the remote is working, the engine is not working. So it's working now, and it sounds good. There is no rattle noise on this one, so we are good with these engines.